ZOTUP has presented to the market a new web app to support in the design of a plant. Let's see how to install it and use it. In your browser, type the following link: webapp.zotup.it/en. As an alternative, you can find the link on our website zotup.com download section. At first access, you have to choose your language. Then, you can save the app on your home screen. In case you use the app from the computer, Google Chrome allows you to save the app on the desktop. At first access, it is necessary to fill in your data on a short registration form. It is also necessary to accept the privacy policy. Once you have filled in the form, you can start using the app.